Hello guys, this is how to log in. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. Welcome to our video tutorial on how to reset your password for your Cengage account. We all know how frustrating it can be to forget our passwords, but luckily, resetting your password on Cengage is a quick and easy process. In this video, we'll show you what steps you need to take to reset your password and regain access to your account. Whether you're a student, instructor, or administrator, resetting your password is an essential skill that will help you get back to learning or teaching in no time. So sit back, relax, and let's explore how to reset your Cengage password. So, first of all, go to your web browser and type sam.cengage.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now you will see this page where it asks you to enter your username and password. As you have forgot your password, so click on Forgot Password button. Now enter your SAM username and click on Continue. After following this process, your password will be reset. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.